Imagine a factory, no workers, lights turned on, and yet millions of products are being made every single day. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now. Beat. Welcome to the world of AI-powered factories.
Welcome. Ever heard of a lights-out factory? It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, doesn't it? But these aren't just futuristic dreams, they're a rapidly evolving reality in modern manufacturing. The name itself sparks curiosity. Why lights out? The answer is surprisingly simple, yet profoundly impactful. Possible. Because the primary workforce inside isn't human. It's robots. Robots that don't need light to see, don't need sleep to recharge, and certainly don't need coffee breaks to power through the day. They are designed for continuous, uninterrupted operation, running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The true marvel behind these operations lies in the sophisticated artificial intelligence systems that orchestrate everything. These AI brains are constantly making critical decisions, acting as the central nervous system of the factory. They determine precisely what needs to be produced, dictating the pace of production with incredible efficiency. But it goes even further. These intelligent systems can also predict and schedule their own maintenance, identifying potential issues before they even arise and arranging for repairs autonomously. This proactive approach minimizes downtime and maximizes output, a level of efficiency previously unimaginable. Now, the phrase humans are not allowed inside during operations might sound a little stark, even a bit unsettling. It's important to understand the context here. This isn't about exclusion for exclusion's sake. It's about safety and optimization. The environments within these highly automated factories can be dynamic and potentially hazardous for humans due to the constant movement of heavy machinery and high-speed processes. By keeping human personnel out during active production, the risk of accidents is drastically reduced. This shift doesn't signal the end of human involvement in manufacturing, far from it. Instead, it represents a transformation in the roles humans play. The focus moves from repetitive, physically demanding tasks to areas requiring human ingenuity, problem-solving, and oversight. Humans are now the designers, the programmers, the strategists, and the supervisors. They are the ones developing the AI, maintaining the robots, and ensuring the overall integrity and ethical operation of these advanced facilities. It's a partnership where technology handles the relentless, precise work, freeing up human potential for innovation and higher-level thinking. The rise of lights-out factories is a testament to human innovation and our ability to leverage technology to achieve new levels of productivity and safety. It's a fascinating glimpse into the future of how things are made, a future that is already here. Thank you for joining me on this exploration.
Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Get ready for a mind-bending look at the future of manufacturing. We often think of robots as tools, but what if they're becoming the architects of their own evolution? Here's the truly astonishing part. In some of the most advanced factories today, the line between creator and creation is blurring in a way that's both fascinating and a little awe-inspiring. We're not just talking about robots assembling cars or electronics anymore. We're talking about robots actively building other robots. Imagine a sophisticated assembly line where the workers themselves are intelligent machines, meticulously crafting the next generation of their kind. This isn't science fiction, it's the cutting edge of industrial automation. These factories are powered by incredibly advanced AI systems that act as the ultimate supervisors. They don't just oversee the process, they monitor every single movement with unparalleled precision. Think of it as a hyper-efficient digital nervous system for the entire operation. And here's where the shocking element truly comes into play. If one robot, for any reason, begins to slow down, perhaps a minor calibration issue, a slight delay in a task, or even a minuscule deviation from its programmed path, another robot is instantly ready to step in and take over, replacing human workers in a negative way, but rather about achieving a level of operational fluidity that was previously unimaginable. Consider the implications. This level of automation means there are no meetings to schedule, no complaints to address, and certainly no salary negotiations to navigate. The focus is entirely on the task at hand, on achieving the highest possible output with unwavering consistency. It's a testament to the power of artificial intelligence and advanced robotics working in perfect, synchronized harmony. This isn't about devaluing human ingenuity, but rather about understanding the incredible advancements happening in how we produce the technology that shapes our world. It's a glimpse into a future where efficiency is paramount and where the very tools we create are capable of self-perpetuation and continuous improvement. It's a powerful reminder of how rapidly technology is evolving and the incredible potential it holds for innovation. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the future of manufacturing. It's a complex and exciting landscape, and I'm thrilled to share these insights with you. If you found this information as fascinating as I did, please consider following for more deep dives into the world of tech.
Welcome. Get ready for a mind-bending look at the future of how things are made. We often think of factories as places filled with people meticulously following instructions. And for a long time, that was absolutely true. But what if I told you that the factories of tomorrow, and in many cases, today, are operating on a completely different principle? Imagine this: traditional factories are built around human direction. Every step, every adjustment is guided by a person. But the new wave of manufacturing is powered by something far more intricate: data. These aren't just machines, they're intelligent systems that learn and adapt. How do they do it? Through an incredible network of sensors. These tiny marvels are constantly monitoring everything. They track temperature fluctuations that could indicate a problem, measure speed with pinpoint accuracy, and analyze energy usage patterns. This isn't just about collecting numbers. It's about understanding the heartbeat of the factory floor. Now, here's where it gets truly fascinating. By analyzing this constant stream of data, AI can do something remarkable. It can predict problems asterisk before asterisk they even have a chance to occur. Think about that for a moment. Instead of reacting to a breakdown, the system anticipates it. It can flag a potential issue with a specific machine, a subtle change in material quality, or even an impending bottleneck in the production line. But it doesn't stop there. In some advanced scenarios, the AI doesn't just predict, it acts asterisk. Sometimes the system identifies a problem and, based on its learned parameters and pre-approved protocols, it actually fixes itself. It might recalibrate a setting, adjust a process, or reroute materials, all without a single human needing to intervene. This capability is known as autonomous decision-making. It's a powerful concept that allows systems to operate with a level of independence and efficiency that was once the stuff of science fiction. It means fewer disruptions, more consistent quality, and a manufacturing process that's not only smarter but also more resilient. And this isn't a niche technology confined to a few experimental labs. This is a revolution that is spreading with incredible speed across industries. Human ingenuity, leveraging the power of data and artificial intelligence to create a more efficient, reliable, and ultimately, a more advanced world. The future of manufacturing has sparked your curiosity. If you found this information valuable, please consider following for more insights into the incredible world of technology.
Something truly fascinating that's reshaping our world at an incredible pace. You've probably heard the buzz, seen the headlines, and maybe even felt a ripple of curiosity or perhaps concern about artificial intelligence. Today, we're going to explore a specific, mind-boggling aspect of this revolution. Why are major companies pouring billions of dollars into what are essentially factories? The answer, when you break it down, is both straightforward and profoundly impactful. Imagine a manufacturing environment where the workforce never needs a paycheck. Think about a facility that operates 24/7 without ever taking a sick day or needing a vacation. Consider a place where the risk of human error leading to accidents is virtually eliminated and where downtime due to unforeseen circumstances is a thing of the past. This isn't science fiction, this is the reality that our factories are bringing to life. The core driver behind this massive investment is efficiency taken to an unprecedented level. By automating complex processes with advanced AI and robotics, companies can achieve a level of productivity that was previously unimaginable. One single AI-powered factory, with its integrated systems and intelligent machines, has the potential to perform the work of thousands of human employees. This isn't about replacing people out of malice, but about fundamentally transforming how goods are produced and services are delivered. The immediate consequence of this shift is a dramatic reduction in production costs. When you remove the significant expenses associated with salaries, benefits, and the inherent variability of human labor, the cost per unit plummets. This, in turn, leads to a substantial increase in profit margins for businesses. For many companies, this represents the ultimate optimization, a pathway to unprecedented profitability and market dominance. From a purely business perspective, this is indeed a dream scenario. It promises streamlined operations, consistent quality, and a competitive edge that can be difficult for traditional models to match. However, it's crucial to approach this transformation with a balanced exploration of a truly transformative technological frontier. It's a complex topic with far-reaching consequences, and understanding these shifts is key to navigating the future. If you found this information insightful, please consider following for more deep dives into the world of tech and its impact on our lives.
Hear about the incredible advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence, and it's easy to get swept up in the excitement of what these technologies can do. They promise efficiency, innovation, and a future that feels almost like science fiction. But here's the uncomfortable truth we need to acknowledge. Every robot that replaces a human worker, a job disappears. Think about it. Manufacturing jobs, for so long the bedrock of economies and the source of livelihoods for countless families, are now being transformed at an unprecedented pace. Machines are taking over tasks that were once exclusively human, and they're doing it faster than many people can adapt. This isn't a distant possibility. It's happening right now, reshaping industries and communities. The conversation has shifted. It's no longer a question of asterisk if asterisk A, I will replace jobs. The real, pressing question is asterisk how many asterisk jobs will survive this wave of automation, can prepare effectively. Shift presents us with a critical challenge, but also an immense opportunity. It compels us to think differently about work, about skills, and about the future of our workforce. Instead of focusing solely on the jobs that might be lost, we can channel our energy into understanding what new roles will emerge, what skills will be most valuable, and how we can equip ourselves and future generations to thrive in this evolving world. The key lies in adaptability and continuous learning. As technology advances, so too must our ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn. This means investing in education and training programs that focus on critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving, skills that AI currently struggles to replicate. It means fostering an environment where innovation is paired with thoughtful consideration for the human element. We have the power to shape this transition. By proactively addressing the challenges, embracing lifelong learning, and advocating for policies that support workers through this period of change, we can ensure that technological progress benefits everyone. It's about building a future where humans and machines work in synergy, creating new opportunities and a more prosperous society for all. Thank you for joining me for this important discussion. If you found this insightful, please consider following for more thoughtful explorations of technology and its impact on our lives. Welcome. Let's dive into something that might surprise you about the future of work. We're often told that technology is coming for our jobs, and while there's a kernel of truth there, the reality is far more nuanced and, frankly, more hopeful than you might think. Experts are painting a picture of future factories that are incredibly efficient, innovative, and yes, different. Here's a fact that might give you pause. The factories of tomorrow are projected to need fewer workers overall. Now, before that sparks concern, let's look at the other side of that crucially. They'll need more AI supervisors. Think of these as the intelligent overseers, the ones who can guide and optimize the artificial intelligence that will be running so much of the production. Ignore, but it's also an opportunity for growth and adaptation. The real takeaway here, the guiding principle for navigating this evolving landscape, is this: the future belongs to those who can work with AI, not against it. Imagine AI not as a replacement, but as a powerful collaborator. It can handle the tedious, the dangerous, and the data-intensive tasks, freeing up human minds for creativity, critical thinking, and strategic decision-making. Think about it. Instead of performing the same task hundreds of times a day, an engineer might be designing the next generation of robotic arms, or an AI supervisor might be analyzing vast datasets to predict and prevent equipment failures before they even happen. This isn't about humans becoming obsolete. It's about humans evolving into roles that leverage our unique strengths, our ingenuity, our empathy, and our ability to innovate. The key is to embrace lifelong learning and to cultivate skills that complement artificial intelligence. This means developing your problem-solving abilities, your capacity for abstract thought, and your understanding of how to effectively communicate with and direct AI systems. It's about becoming the architect of the automated future, not just a cog in the machine. This transformation isn't about fear, it's about foresight. By understanding these trends, we can proactively equip ourselves with the knowledge and skills to thrive. The future of work is not a passive event, it's something we actively shape. Thank you for joining me to explore this fascinating aspect of our technological future. I hope this information has been insightful and empowering. If you found this valuable, consider following for more explorations into the world of tech and its impact on our lives.
So ask yourself, is this progress or a warning? Would you work in a factory with no humans? Comment below and subscribe for more shocking future technology stories.